Hi, it is a Children's Day today. If you are also Googling what best gift to give my child today, this is for you. So there are 4 ways you can invite joy and connection, happiness in their life today. Number 1, lie down on the floor with them. Yes, lie down on your stomach like this. Talk to them. Maybe you can talk. Maybe you can just listen to them. Or if your child likes drawing, painting, then take one paper. Start doing the drawing or painting on it side by side on that same page. You think, what is there so special about lying down on the floor? We have been a parent always instructing, supervising from up top, and the child has always been receiving, listening to you from down there. When you are lowering yourself to their level, what you are telling your child is, I am your co-pilot. I am not your boss. They would be much more open when you lower yourself to their level. Number 2, and this is going to be something you are going to be horrified of, because this includes mess. What I want you to do, take a bowl, add flour, atta in it, take a jug of water and put water inside. Invite your child. Ask them to dip their hand inside and squish. You dip your hand inside and squish too. And when you are squishing together and, rubbing that atta on each other's hands, and sometimes even taking one finger full of atta and touching it on their nose, the huge mess that it makes and the squishy tactile feeling in their hand, they are going to love this. Now, your adult mind might be thinking, अरे ये सब mess कौन साफ करेगा? भी पोछा लगाया था. Don't worry, it's just atta. You can clean up afterwards. Or you can tell your child, today we are going to do something really, really fun, but it is a little bit messy too. I want you to promise that you will help me in cleaning up after us. What do you think they are going to say? They are going to say yes. They will be so much excited just to do that messy play with you. Mess washed up. But the memory that is there in your mind now, the joy that is there in your child's mind, that will stay there. If we are to look at the logical part of this, you see, child learns first by their tactile sensation, by their hands, their touch. When you are engaging that tactile play, whether it is atta and water, or you can even do finger painting, that memory stays with the child forever. Secondly, this is like a permission for the child to be imperfect, to be messy, and still be joyful. This is what we are gifting the child here. Number 3, dance like a crazy. Play some music, something like chicken dance or something dum-dum drums and all that, which generally you would never play. Then you and your child start dancing. This is not choreographed, proper steps, graceful dancing. No, this is crazy, mad fun. Look as ridiculous as possible. The ridiculous part of this is the memory that we are giving to a child. If we look at it from the developmental psychology perspective, this joy is not just the state of mind. The joy is the full body experience. And that is what we are putting out in front of our child. We are becoming vulnerable. We are looking silly, looking ridiculous in front of that child. And when the child sees that, okay, my mom, my dad, who are generally always so poised, so perfect, is now doing this, that it gives them the permission slip. I can express my joy the way I want, the way I feel like doing, even if it is laughing out loud like a crazy person. That is the 3rd joy invitation. Now look at the 4th, my personal favorite. I do this every day. Take 2 pillows and a blanket on top of it and make like a tent or like a fort, pillow fort. Both of you crawl inside and put your mobile light outside, so that it puts the light on the walls, and then make the shadow puppets using your hands. You make a bird, make a deer, make a dinosaur dancing around. I'll tell you what I do. In my child's room, every day before sleeping, we light oil diya. So why we do that? I'm going to make a separate video on that. That diya casts the light over the wall. We make different types of shadow puppets on the wall. Yesterday, it was Mama Dinosaur and two baby dinosaurs going out on a date. Today it is going to be they are going dancing. And tomorrow it is the fight. When we do this kind of shadow puppet in the dark, the child and you, both of your nervous systems quiet. This shared moment of joy, smiling and giggling together in dark, this is most precious memory. And if you do this just before sleeping, this happy and relaxed state of mind stays in their conscious and subconscious even while they are sleeping. This gives and reinforces that feeling that they are beloved, and most importantly, their papa or mama are joy to be with. It is very easy to be into the instructor mode and supervisor mode all the time. As a grown-up, we have to do this. We cannot all the time be messy or be ridiculous like this. But joy can always be there. So this Children's Day, give them these 4 gifts, these invitation to joy into their life. Make each moment count. You can do one of them, or you can do all of them. You can do it just today, or you can do it every day, something or the other. So what are you planning to do today? Are you planning to lie down on floor with them, or messy play, or dance like crazy, or simply making shadow puppet? Whatever you do, just be there 100% with them, and this would turn out to be the best Children's Day they have ever had. From me to you, a happy Children's Day.